Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Monday, August 2nd, 1999, 8 am. This period of questioning and concern about future events will make people's minds work. Some people will draw positive conclusions from it. They will understand better the transitory side of life and the fact that no time should be frittered away. Those who are ready will see it like that. Many others will keep going without changing anything in their habits. These are moments of their existence when man can question himself. It's about reviewing his past, what he has done, what he has not done, and deciding in the final analysis to adopt a new way of life, thinking a little differently by realizing the frailty of his own being and all that surrounds him. If he becomes ever so slightly aware of the greatness of the universe, of the mechanisms which govern it, of this power which he cannot qualify with poor words, who is he, so small in comparison with this vastness? Nothing or not much. Whether he exists or not, what does that change in this vast program? If he realizes, at least for one moment, that he will perhaps leave behind him his overweening ambition, if such is the case, his high idea of himself, and will revert to more humility, that would be the beginning of wisdom for him. Babuji. Monday, August 2nd, 1999, 10 am. Your importance is negligible compared with that of the earth, and non-existence compared with the universe. Don't compare yourself with the infinitely small but the infinitely great. You should actually put yourself back in your context. Things will be more right for you, so we hope. It is nevertheless a fact that each one of you plays their small role, which is not negligible. That can seem contradictory, but it is not. We want to open your eyes to a reality which you don't usually take into account. Many like to think they are the center of the world. They imagine themselves very important. Humans who play some role in a company, a government, who have the force of law in the life of a country, think that they have all the rights and do not necessarily respect their fellow men. This is so commonplace among some of these people. Time will come when men, whether small or big on this earth, will have to account for their deeds. Sometimes it would be better in this aspect to be a beggar than a king. The beggar will have more quickly accounted for his life unless he had murdered unfortunate comparisons to steal their money. There are also good kings and bad beggars. Our comments were of a general nature. The heart of an individual can express itself whatever his state. Each one of the lives we have alluded to has its pitfalls, which have to be thwarted if one is an honest man. Each profession can heighten the good sides of the person who practices it. He can work wonders or make things worse for himself. Man always has a chance to pull through. He is granted an opportunity at a moment in his life to take the right direction. Many people manage and have a close shave. We will conclude with this positive aspect of life. Babuji.